Welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Kirk.Blair, and we're going to show you this pre-owned. This is actually a pre-owned 2010 Sandpiper. It's a T291, and it's kind of a live-in model floor plan. It's kind of an original. It's like I say, it's a pre-owned piece of inventory here. We do sell new and used. It's got a floor plan that kind of reminds me of a fifth wheel, and we'll get inside and I'll show you that in a second. It's got, I think, 3 slides. It's got a rear living area, a little closet slide here, nice front pass-through bay, dual battery location, power tongue jack, dual propane tanks. Let's kind of make our way down the side of it. Big front pass-through storage area, which is always really nice. It's got a lot of windows in here, and I'll show you inside when we get in there, but you can see on the slide out there's a lot of windows, power awning out here. So kind of as you come in, you enter the kitchen area, and you have your kitchen kind of walk through and good storage all the way throughout the kitchen. You're going to have a nice little pantry areas. You're going to have a big fridge in here, and then you have the big living area that has a nice table and chairs and a well lighted slide out. You have your rear entertainment, TV pops up out of there. You have a couch and kind of a nice big living area to do the opposing slides. It makes it really large. So let's kind of make our way up to the front, and I'll show you the front area, but it kind of reminds me of a fifth wheel floor plan in a trailer. So you have your bathroom. I'm going to go around the other side. So you got your bathroom here, Jack and Jill. I walked in through the bedroom. You have a nice big shower, your toilet, your vanity area. If you want to come on through this way, you have nice closets in here in that slide out. So big closet space in that slide out. Big open cabinets over here on the top. And then you have your basically little cubbies and nightstands on either side. And as you make your way out of the bedroom, it's got this nice lighted window, doorway basically. That's pretty cool. That does have a blind. This trailer and anything else here at Guaranty RV, I'm happy to show you. My name is Kirk, Captain Kirk. My cell phone is 541-601-8742. I'm happy to do any piece of inventory here for you. And please, looking forward to helping you, and please have a great day.